Hey all, we're now watching Demon Slayer Season 2, Episode 8. I think according to the timeline from what I saw, we watched Episode 1, then we watched the Mugen Train movie, and now we're watching Episode 8, which should be after the movie, since it covers Episodes 2 to 7. I believe so anyway. So we're watching Episode 8 now, and the last episode, movie, I guess. The last movie we watched with the whole thing, we saw Rengoku's awesome, amazing fight scene at the end where he dies. That was like the most...
So bittersweet.
So bittersweet. The whole train sequence and then the upper rank demon showing up was such an amazing piece of art. Like, the fighting was amazing.
And the music was amazing.
Tanjiro's grief was so heartbreaking. Their whole grief was heartbreaking.
Yeah, even Inosuke was crying.
Yeah, he's like, "What are you guys crying for?" He's like, literally has tears coming out of his mask. We saw Nezuko also using her blood arts.
Yeah, she helped.
Yeah, she used her blood arts to remove the thing on people.
That's right.
That's why they asked her to do it, because she's the only one with a demon. She's the only one that's a demon, and obviously only the demon can remove the ropes.
Yes.
Because and she's got blood art, just like the Blood Moon boys. That whole segment was very interesting. So I guess now we're going to see Tanjiro recover again, and also get a new sword, and he's going to be in grief, and all the Hashira are going to be very angry about what happened. Now I bet Tanjiro's vow is going to be to kill this demon. Maybe, but he doesn't seem to be in the same power level yet, because those two were insane.
Oh god, yeah, they were so fast. Even Inosuke was like, I can't follow them.
Yeah, and it's funny, because usually you think he's the one that hops in without thinking, but he's actually analyzing, like, I have no way, and if I go in, I'll just distract Rengoku.
It'll be a burden,
Yeah, exactly. So he just couldn't go in. It was really cool that he was analyzing all of it. I mean, they both were.
That was fascinating.
That was a really good movie.
Yeah.
I guess we're still technically reacting to the movie by saying that. So yeah, we're going to be watching episode 8 now of the next part of the story. Yeah. I guess we'll get a new intro and...
Oh, exciting.
Yeah, since now we're watching an episodic format again. Yeah, hope you guys will enjoy our reaction. Let's get right to it. Yeah, they're going to show a replay, I guess, what happened. They're only showing the hits, like no voices. They're going to hit us with this again? Why? No music at all. Rengoku-san.
Nice preview.
Man, what's gonna happen from here? Like, I guess we'll find out. This is a longer episode than usual, so I'm curious. This is like a... Technically, they defeated the demon though on the train. Oh, here they come now. Even the strongest demon though is scared of sunlight. He did tell him to go to his house. They're already next to a train.
Aww.
Man, imagine that news being delivered by a crow.
Probably his crow. Rengoku's.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the new intro?
Wow.
And it's like a mini movie to introduce something. That boy's completely pale white. He's up to something.
Oh. A butterfly.
So he's obviously the
Kimetsu no Yaiba.
shit, what was the names? The monsters from Full Metal. They're like all praising him, and now I'm like, oh no. Can't go outside during the day.
Skin disease. Is it Muzan?
Oh. So he's disguised as a kid? That's what they were showing in the...
But only red.
They're showing it right now as blue.
無惨様のご期待に応えられるよう
What about the train thing? He's gonna mention that?
ご命令通り柱の一人は始末してまいりましたので、ご安心。お前は何か思い違いをしているようだな。
Uh-oh, he didn't want him eliminated.
お前は得意げに柱を殺したと報告するが、あの場にはまだ3人の鬼狩りがいた。
That's true. Was this task to kill them?
わざわざ近くにいたお前を向かわせたと。
Yeah, exactly. He made him wait there. Of course.
赤さ。
Creepy.
まさか柱でもない剣士から一撃を受けるとは、上限の3も落ちたものだな。
What about the windows, though? That's really cool. We're seeing his perspective.
お前の脳髄をぶちまけてやる。
Really cool, though.
That was fast.
So why is he disguised as a kid?
I guess he likes to travel around disguise. Oh,
Back to the hospital again. Oh my god.
they just left.
炭治郎でも落ち込んだりダメかもしれないって思っちゃうことあるんだな。
Oh no, he's doing this to help Tanjiro.
どんな強そうな人だって苦しいことや悲しいことがあるんだよな。
That's how they're human.
だけど、
Hmm.
ずーっとうずくまってたって仕方ないから。
Now he's the one ironically pushing him
叩い
up.
て叩いて立ち上がる。ちょっと風変わりだったけど、強くて優しい音だった。
Hey, Mr. Rengoku.
こっそりまんじゅうもらってきたから。
He went through that whole trouble of getting those.
Shinobu.
Oh, he took Nesco, of course.
Imagine he has to abandon his family. But he also has two purposes. Go there to tell his family. And to also investigate the papers that he mentioned.
千次郎くん
I was there with your brother when he died. Can you imagine saying that?
大丈夫ですか？あなた顔が真っ青ですよ。
やめろ。どうせだから死ぬんだ。くだらない。愚かな息子だ、京次郎は。あとはうぞうむぞう。何の価値もないチリアクタだ。
I think he's a bit drunk. It's his wine.
Yeah, barley or whatever it was.
うちの敷居をまたぐな。
俺は鬼殺隊の。
Is he looking at the earrings?
Yeah, he saw the earrings.
火の呼吸の使い手だな。そうだろ。
Sun breathing technique.
火の呼吸。
Ooh.
命を落とした我が子を侮辱して殴って何がしたいんだ。
お前。
He has had someone
私のことをバカにして
come up
い
and
る
tell
だ
him
ろ。
that.
火の呼吸ってもしかして火の神神楽のことなのか。
始まりの呼吸。一番初めに生まれた呼吸。
Oh.
今日の見業。すべての呼吸が火の呼吸の後。
Oh, he's quite proud of it. Whatever it is.
火の呼
乗れるわけないだろうが。このクソジジイ。危ない父は。もし火の神神楽が火の呼吸だったなら。
Then why doesn't he have
あの
it?
時。
Always headbutting. I love the music.
I forgot the dad saved that old lady.
ありがとう。
Okay.
Okay, potato.
大丈夫だった？大丈夫だと思います。目を覚ましたらお酒を買いに出かけていったので。
Of course he did.
Oh yeah, of course.
どのような最後だったのでしょうか。
Of course, keep an eye out.
そうですか。
I'd like to know him to tell us because we already know what happened.
父がよく見ていた書物には心当たりがありまして。
Record of the 21st Flame Hashira.
炭治郎さんが知りたいことは書かれているでしょうか。
He doesn't know until he reads through it.
これは
The first page he opens. Those drawings are really cool.
これは
Oh, what happened?
ズタズタだ。歴代縁柱の書は大切に保管されているものですから。
Of course it's like that, so we won't know.
父が破いたのだと思い、日の神神楽や父の言っていた火の呼吸について結局何も。
大丈夫です。自分がやるべきことは分かっていますので。
This goes in the frame, even though she's not showing. I like that.
体が思ったように動かなくなります。俺の問題です。技に体が追いついてない。
That episode where he cuts off that guy's head, the spider, was so cool too. And the music kicked in with that.
Oh yeah.
一瞬で強くはなれないんです。あの時、俺がもっと強かったら。
Yeah, if those two Hashiras, they would have crushed that guy.
あがくしかない。今の自分ができる精一杯で前に進む。
The father's gotta know something, right?
実績を積まなければならなかった。でも私の日輪刀は色が変わりませんでした。
正しいと思う道を進んでください。
Great line.
次郎さんを悪く言う人がいたら俺が頭突きします。
それはやめた方がいいです。歴代縁柱の書は私が修復します。他の書も調べてみま
So
す。
he's gonna become like a side character where he sends him info occasionally about improving his thing.
カラスを飛ばします。
Through our crows, every family's got their own crow.
兄の日輪刀の唾です。
Wow.
いただけません。こんな大切
Better
な
not lose it then.
俺は
I love the anime. they always do that in every single anime. Like surprise. Get back to base before it gets dark.
体を大切にしてほしい。兄上が父上へ残した言葉はそれだけです。
行ってまいります、父上。
Defeated by those simple words.
Oh my
Oh, no.
god.
Again?
He's scared
I thought
of
it was
the
a demon.
demons.
That was a demon for a second.
Same.
Get back to base faster.
I think I would go find a new sword maker.
葵さんたちがなだめてくれなかったら昼まで続いていたと思う。
I wonder how calm him down.
Yeah.
すみちゃん、きよちゃん、なほちゃんも。
お安いご用です。
So grudgingly.
Yeah.
なんとか機嫌も治ったようですよ。
よかった。
It's not that heavy. I feel like they need to fight demons. They need to carry like a tub or something. 100 more to go. But yeah, push-ups are brutal.
Yeah.
煉獄さんの死から
Wow, they're rushing it this time. So they can go on to the next story.
俺たちは毎
Just
日
need to heal.
Yeah, look at those abs. They've been working out.
カラスからの指令に従い
Only Inosuke hasn't changed.
それぞ
Did
れ
he add the sword guard?
I guess
一人で
he
行く任
does.
務の時善逸はダダをこねなくなった。
Wow, that's an improvement.
Wow.
髪を一くさくり。
伊之助はもうちょっとだ。頑張れ。
Wow, they are built like
幸
tanks.
せなことよ
Yes.
If this shows them like going to this very easily, we might be seeing like an upgrade.
By himself?
Yeah, apparently.
Oh. Solo mission. Oh. At least you always have Nezuko. Oh, nice.
Nice game.
Nice.
Yeah. He's scared.
You did not expect a demon.
What is he, like Dr. Octopus? Oh, those two have gotten good then. He's
Yeah.
scared of them.
人里に降りてしまう。
Uh
Oh no.
一体どういう鬼狩りなんだ。
oh. Is another demon?
けしかけ
Oh, where's
ここ
Nezuko?
までだ。
Cool.
Nice.
And this show is shot so well. Like even anime.
Yes. Wow.
And he's upgrading.
Yeah, he's so strong now. That was fast.
And they have no idea what's going on in their part.
Good.
And there's nothing there either.
Wow.
確かに物音がしたんだけど。
Like they're above them in the ceiling.
もう一息で蝶屋敷に着くからな。
Soon.
Oh, he's gonna see Shinobu and now.
うるせえな。黙っとけ。
Oh. He's one of the Hashira, right?
命令、忍、上官、葵、奈穂、柱。
First time we've seen her like kind of confused what to
ど
do.
うか、
Hmm.
どうか。
What's going on? Why is he singing boy?
Charge. What's going on?
女の子に何してるんだ。手を離せ。いや、群がられている。捕まっ。どっちだ。
Wait, what is it?
The headbutt of all time. Yep.
Oh yeah, he's fast.
葵さんたちを離せ。この人さらいめ。
Lousy kidnapper.
じゃあいらねえ。とりあえずこいつを任務に連れて行く。役に立ちそうもねえが。こんなの
Why take her?
道を隊員。
葵さんの代わりに俺たちが行く。
Mm.
俺たちだと。
Oh!
As he saw them.
今帰ったところだが、俺は力があり余ってる。言ってやってもいいぜ。あんたが筋肉の化け物でも、俺は一歩も。
Oh, he's
Just let your
showing
sleepy self do
improvement.
it.
Yeah.
じゃあ一緒に来ていただこうかね。ただし、絶対俺に逆らうなよ、お前ら。
It's cool we're getting each.
What the fuck?
So we're meeting each Hashira with their own personalities.
Hmm.
どこ行くんだ、おっさん。
Old man.
Old man. Ooh.
日本一色と欲にまみれたド派手な場所。
The entertainment district?
Oh.
Yeah, because that's the name of the
I
episode.
completely forgot, yeah.
There must be demon there.
鬼の住む遊郭だよ。
Ooh.
Oh.
That's it? Is there more?
Well, it's the credits, right?
Oh, okay then.
This is the
Well,
preview,
if
probably.
there's more, you're
I'm sure we'll
welcome
find
to
out.
let us know.
Yeah. Well, that was a fun episode.
That felt like 10 minutes.
Yeah, it felt like a normal episode.
Yeah. So much happened.
But it felt longer because we saw there's a lot more going on. We had Chief Muzan because it was double the length. So in the round,
I
this is
forgot
kind of like
about
two
that.
episodes in a way
Yeah.
put together. But Chief Muzan's intro where he's disguised as a boy for some reason. I guess he used him as a convenient
He's trying to get around.
spot, to get
Yeah.
around.
Wonder
That when
what he's
Demon
doing.
Slayer is the master doesn't know where he's at, so he uses a human.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
But so why is he scared of them then? If he thinks they're pathetic, like hiding as a boy, that seems kind of strange to me. Like
So-
kind of contrary to what he says. He's like humans are weak, we always win, and he's like
He's
"I'll hide you."
overcompensating.
Yeah, overcompensating. And then we see
Rengoku's family, his
Yep.
abusive father,
who breaks down finally. So he might be more useful. He might tell some information.
I feel
about it.
like
But now we know sun breathing. That's the technique. And he says the strongest. Like all the other techniques are based off
it
of
was
that
the
one.
first one.
Yeah. So that was interesting.
No wonder the demon is scared of
Well,
him in particular.
we don't be scared of him. We're just scared of seeing the sun breathing technique back in use.
He sees the potential in the
Yeah,
guy.
the earrings.
Yeah. In
Yeah.
Tanjiro. So I think we'll see the father again because the show made it a point to mention Rengoku's father in the episode, the first episode of season 2 with the grandma.
Yeah, and and he mentioned he'll send him information by Crow from time to time. I'm like, this is just like a video game. You get
Yeah.
updated information, your experience
Yeah,
is
that's
growing.
right.
And we saw how fast Tanjiro crushed that demon. So he's
I
getting stronger
love
too.
that.
Yeah,
I
it's
love
showing
that
his
they showed,
improvements.
yeah.
So there's like a sense of he's not becoming overpowered. He's becoming powerful because that's how the story is going. It makes
Yeah,
perfectly
exactly.
logical sense.
Yeah, if he was struggling to fight that demon, I would have called BS.
I've been like, come on, you just defeated the train
The
demon.
train, yeah.
He did miss him. He said, oh, I messed up. He's going to the village. But that's it because, he hasn't fought in a while. That's all.
Yeah.
But when he got to it, he crushed him immediately.
Yeah, and cleaned up the mess, and even the humans didn't know.
Yeah, the humans had no idea what happened.
And we see this strange guy who,
Like slapping girls' asses.
without their consent, what the
hell?
fuck? And,
Well, they call him old man. So maybe he really is mentally that way.
Kimetsu no Suge?
Yeah, I thought that was funny as hell. Where we're going, old man, and he has like white hair. So maybe he's oldish. But he's quite powerful. This is Hashira.
Yeah.
So we'll probably see a badass scene where he crushes all the demons and we're like, oh, that's why he's a Hashira. Ah.
I look forward to it. And he's going to show off his power, whatever it is. What is he? I forgot completely.
No idea.
Yeah.
Big dude, that's all I know from him.
Reacher.
He's Reacher. He's the Reacher of anime. I don't got a problem. I've got all these girls with me.
Oh my god. And we see some character development in Kanao when she didn't quite dare say anything, but actions speak louder than words.
Yeah.
So.
And she could probably fight like as well as any Demon Slayer.
She tried to fight Nezuko,
yeah.
Right? Yeah. During
So,
that strange chase scene.
So I guess we'll find out more.
Yeah.
In the next episode.
Very good episode.
Of episode 9, I guess, since this is episode 8. Though it's kind of confusing because in some places it was called season 3, episode 1. But anyway, this is the entertainment part of the show. So yeah, there we go. If you guys want to see our full reaction, it'll be on Patreon. And also the next episodes as well as are already on Patreon.
And full reaction.
And the full reactions. I just said that.
You did?
I did, I think. Anyways, thanks for coming to watch our reaction. And take care and
have a good day.